Movement is a privilege, not a punishment. Let's jump, have some fun, boost our mood, elevate our energy, build some amazing balance and strength in this simple, low impact, 15-minute rebounding workout. Let's go. In and out. We're going to work on some balance today. Some of our exercises, always having a nice bounce, recovery, stay active for the whole 15 minutes. Do your best. Today the focus is on balance, but just having some fun. And what a privilege it is to move. It's just in and out to start. Get as far out with your feet on the trampoline as possible. Bring them in as close as you can without smashing your ankles together. Let's try to smile through the whole routine. We'll push ourselves. We'll go a little bit hard, challenge ourselves. Hard work is fun when we know why we're here. Come stronger, with more energy, a best version of ourselves. Let's go. Okay. I'm going to bounce. Now, we go out, just as we're doing. Bring the arms involved. Nice arm curl. Really focus on that bicep, as well as engage your core. Core stability, arm strength, all at once. And now, keep with the arms forward and back with your legs. It'll take a second to get the brain readjusted. You got this. Go at your pace. You ever need to slow it down, by all means. Stick with me. Just keep moving. And 3, 2, 1, bounce. Okay, so this is our active recovery. Have some fun with it. You can always just need to take a breath. Just light bounce, by all means. But feeling it and you just want to bounce during our recovery. We're going to go to a high knee march. So take a second to get the rhythm. Sort of a couple little bounces and just get that rhythm, get that knee up there. On one leg, so you really need to engage your core. Build this amazing balance today. Ooh. If you got a kick out with the leg to regain your balance, brilliant. That's the real work. Yeah. Come on. Once you get the rhythm, it becomes pretty fun. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, rest. We're resting. Catch your breath. Slow. When you really focus on your breathing, recover much more quickly. Great practice for life. Take that extra breath before you make a decision before you respond. Okay. Whew. So we're going to go around the clock. Think of your trampoline as a clock, and we're just going to move clockwise on the edge of the rebounder to stay as far to the edge as you can. With control, you really need to engage your core. Look down by all means. Notice, feel the core stability you're creating. Just how much you need to use it so that we can stay really close to the edge. And when you're ready, let's go counterclockwise. Feet nice and close together. I'm just figuring this out. I would way rather have my head up, but I really need to orient myself on the trampoline. Still, oh, yep, just bounce right in the middle. It's okay. Just keep coming to the edge. So you're so controlled with your bounces because you got that amazing core stability. Whoa. Okay. And last time around the clock. And rest. I'm resting with my legs a little further apart. Just want to be as dynamic as possible, moving in different ways. Again, even in our rest period, engage that core. Generate amazing balance. Ooh. Oh, movement really does change everything. Your focus, your energy, your mood. Oh, yes. Whew. We don't have to go super hard. Just show up every day. Be consistent. Move as often as possible. The more physically active as we can be, the better food choices we make. The more patience we have, the more time we'll spend connecting to loved ones. Oh, really having a positive outlook every day. Just move. Oh, okay. Here we go. Bounce and twist. So feet are close together. Swing the arms. It's a great cardio exercise. Amazing for lubricating the back, our joints. Twist. Come on. Movement is awesome. You get the hang of it, and you get the arm swing, you get the twist. See if you can't look up. Head up high. Yeah, real integrity. Oh, I like this one a lot. Come on. Maybe if you're feeling it, can we pick up the pace a bit? Ooh. Yes, we can. Yes, you can. I believe in you. And 3, 2, 1. Vamos. Yes, let's go. Nice, gentle recovery. I'm recovering with one foot in front of the other. Breathe. Ooh. We're not here for a long time. Ooh, I'm really slowing it down. I'm going to put the other foot in front now. Just notice. Just be. Watch that monkey mind. I can't do this. I want to move on to the next thing. No. Be here now. This is the most important moment. And now this one. And this. Just be. Okay. Whew. Start to bounce a bit again. Get ready. So this is going to be dynamic, unique, a bit of a challenge. We want to go balls of the feet to heels. Balls of the feet to heels. Balls of the feet's not too tough. It's coming back up on the heels. Really engage the core. So a couple bounces on the balls of the feet and a couple on the heels. Find a nice rhythm and give that a go. And let's just go for a bit here. Do your best. Balls of the feet, heels, balls of the feet, toes up. Toes up. Toes up is so great for working the muscles in the front of our shins, front of our legs. Shins is maybe a bone. The muscles in the front of the leg. I'll be all right. Keep going. Come on. Oh, I can feel it. It's amazing balance, core, but also, wow, there's some muscles in the legs that are getting used that are not used very often. I love it. Oh. And 3, 2, 1. And let's rest. Okay. I'm doing a little side to side for my dynamic rest. Just so you know, we're going to take that move and go a little harder next. So if you need to prepare yourself for that and slow it down, by all means. We only got a few minutes to go. Let's make it count. Whoa. Okay, you ready? Good solid minute. Ski poles. We're going downhill skiing. Up on the balls of your feet. Try to get to the very edges of your trampoline. Don't forget to dig in your poles. Down. Great for the triceps. Down. Bend the knees. Push yourself. Come on. Ooh, yeah. Quick. Oh, come on. We're getting better. Yes. 10 more seconds. Head up. Look. Yes. You got this. You got it. And, ooh, let's recover. Nice. Doing some moguls. We'll picture ourselves, going down, maybe Mount Washington. Yeah. Whew. Whew. But there's a few Mount Washingtons. Mount Washington, Vancouver Island. Just recover. Just nice and easy. Okay, for balance, maybe you want to hold on here as we finish up. What happens if we close the eyes? You just be, use the bar if you need to. Probably a good idea. Come off when you feel comfortable. Real gentle bounce. Close your eyes. That is awesome. That's what we want. We want to move with awe. We don't need so much knowledge and information. We know movement is great. We just need to do it more in different and dynamic ways. Forget all the information. Just move with awe. Eyes closed. Engage your core. What a great way to get to know the rebounder and our body. Eyes closed. I'm sort of just keeping my hands out, noticing where the bar is, so that if I feel like I need it, I can grab it. I'm just sort of really lightly touching it. Then come off. Shake it out. Slow. And you keep showing up. That's all that matters. Show up for yourself. You'll be able to show up for others more readily when you do. Thank you so much. Remember, comment, job done. Let's inspire each other. Share your progress. See you tomorrow. Yes.